Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this session, we will discuss about what is Java, why Java is so popular, and the various versions of Java released so far. So let's begin. Java is one of the most popular and widely used programming language. Java is completely free and open source and object oriented. If you are not aware of object oriented, then hold for some time and we will talk about this soon in our next sections. Java was developed by Sun Microsystem in 90s and the first publicly available version of Java was released in 1995. Sun Microsystem was then acquired by Oracle in 2010. Now Java is not only language, it is a platform too with its own runtime environment called JRE. So Java built its own environment and that's where it does not need any specific software to run and it is more popular in that sense. Now talking about the important points on why Java is so popular. Java is easy to learn and simple to use. Java is secure, fast and powerful. Coding in Java is really a fun. It is open source. It has really huge support from the community. Java program used Java virtual machines and due to which Java is platform independent. Means Java works on different platforms Windows, Mac, Linux seamlessly, which is a very strong point about Java. Now on the right hand side, I have shown the Java version and the year of release. The first publicly available version of Java was 1.0, which was released in 1995. Over the years, there are a lot of new enhanced version of Java has been released. When Sun Microsystem was acquired by Oracle in 2010, after that we have got few major versions which took the Java world to the next level. The current version of Java when this video is recorded is Java 15. Now in my further video, I'll be covering the important features about these versions. But for now, just remember these important Java versions. Now, there are few important things to remember. Java is simple, secure, powerful and easy to learn. According to Oracle, more than 3 billion devices currently runs on Java. Using Java, you can create Android, web, Windows, desktop, games and lot more applications in a much simpler way. So thank you for watching. Now in the next section, I'll be talking about few common terms in Java and the setup for Java coding.